in the summers, it's just so many mosquitoes. The backyard was completely unable to be used because the bugs were just incessant. And something about me that makes them, I'm a very nice snack for the mosquitoes, it seems. And it just made it to where we couldn't spend any time at all. And so now, with the mosquito system, we don't have any problems at all. It's awesome. I don't have any problems with mosquitoes, and if I find one, there's a remote control button that you can click and it makes the system go off. And any time that I've had, in fact, it's starting now. Well, my main thing is mosquitoes, but I haven't seen any bugs at all. In fact, I don't have a pest control service that comes into the house, and because the system goes all the way around, I just don't have any bugs in the house either. I've recommended it to several of my clients, and I would recommend it to everyone who lives in Houston. And the best part about LoCo Mosquito is the service, and anytime that I've had any issue, I can get Chuck, the owner, or J-Lo on the phone really quickly, and they'll be out in the next day or two to fix the problem.